Hi, I'm excited to talk about project timeline management today. Did you know that 57% of projects fail due to a breakdown in communication and poor time management? A project timeline is a visual representation of a project's duration, tasks, and milestones. It helps keep track of the project's progress and ensures that it is completed on time and within budget. There are 5 stages of a project timeline: planning, design, development, testing, and deployment. Each stage has its own set of tasks and milestones that need to be completed before moving on to the next stage. A project timeline management assessment is a tool used to evaluate the effectiveness of a project timeline. It helps identify areas that need improvement and ensures that the project is completed on time and within budget. When writing a timeline, it's important to include all the tasks and milestones required to complete the project. It's also important to set realistic deadlines and ensure that everyone involved in the project is aware of them. A great example of a timeline is the Gantt chart. It's a bar chart that shows the project schedule, progress, and dependencies. There are 7 phases of a project: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, controlling, closing, and post-project review. Each phase is critical to the success of the project. A timeline tool is a software that helps create, manage, and track project timelines. Some popular timeline tools include Trello, Asana, and Microsoft Project. To set a project timeline, you need to identify the tasks and milestones required to complete the project. Then, estimate the time required for each task and assign resources accordingly. Finally, create a timeline and share it with all stakeholders. That's all for today. Remember, effective project timeline management is critical to the success of any project. Start implementing these strategies today to ensure your project's success.